Mary Aiko Melendez, born December 16, 1975, known professionally as Aiko Melendez, is a Filipino actress and politician. She began her career as a child actress and later became a romantic lead in the 1990s. She achieved newfound fame playing secondary dramatic roles in film and television in the succeeding decades and has since garnered various accolades, including a Luna Award and a Manila Film Festival Awards, in addition to nominations for 5 FAMAS Awards. She currently serves as a councilor of Quezon City from the 5th District since 2022, a position she previously held from the 2nd District from 2001 to 2010. Melendez was discovered in the late 1980s and signed a contract with Regal Films, becoming one of their Regal babies. In 2001, Melendez ran for councilor of the 2nd District of Quezon City and won. She was re-elected in 2004 and in 2007 and remained in office for 9 years until 2010. She ran for vice mayor of Quezon City in 2010 as the running mate of Mike Defensor, but lost to Joy Belmonte. Melendez ran for Quezon City councilor in 2022, this time at the 5th District, and won. She did several shows on GMA Network, but most often appeared on ABS-CBN. In 2011, Aiko returned to ABS-CBN for an episode of Malo Mo Kaya and Reputation. In 2013, she was part of the TV series Apoy Sa Dagat. In 2015, Melendez played the role of Fiona Vargas in Inday Boat. In 2017, Melendez played the role of Amelia Argiente in Wildflower. In 2018, Melendez played the role of Matadora Bigani in Bagani. In 2019, Melendez returned to GMA Network to play a role in Prima Donnas. Her father, Jimmy Melendez, born Jim Shinoji, was also an actor. Her paternal half-brother, Jam Melendez, also entered show business. Melendez was married to actor Jomari Ilana from 2000 but separated after a year. They have a son named Andre. Their marriage was annulled in 2005. In 2006, Melendez married Martin Jickett, with whom she has a daughter named Marthina. However, their marriage was annulled in 2010. In 2013, Melendez converted to Born Again Christianity. Melendez dated Zambales as 1st District Representative Jae Kong-hoon from 2018 until their breakup in 2025. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.